Hello, my natural beauties. It's your girl Colette, and I am about to discuss how to prevent frizz. Yes, that is like a natural girl's nightmare. It's crazy because, you start off your day and your hair is so tamed and so, you spend hours the night before, right? Doing your hair, and you woke up extra early and you put your face on and your hair is bomb diggy. You get to work by noon. It's like you walk by and you see your shadow or your reflection in a mirror, and you're like, who the hell is that? By 5 o'clock, you're unrecognizable because your hair is like it's all over the place. You can't even see you, or whatever curl you had, it's completely gone. It's just a poof, just an afro, and it's like, okay, so let's get back to it. Let's talk about controlling the frizz. Okay, so it's very imperative if you're wearing your hair in a, not necessarily wash and go, but in a twist out, like how I am. I prefer to use mousses, and I prefer to use a mousse, specifically a curl mousse. You cannot just use any mousse because mousses are different depending on how you're going to style your hair, right? So if you are natural, you have a natural curl. There are curling mousses. So the curl mousse gives you the stiffness, gives you the soft stiffness, gives you the definition, and that curl will last you a couple of days. So as the days do go on, your curl pattern is going to get looser, but it's going to be much more controlled than if you just use like a curling cream, and by 5 o'clock in the afternoon it didn't really hold because you didn't really have a product that was going to give you the definition and give you the hold that you need to get through your day or the next 2-3 days, if that makes sense. Now, for those that like to wear their hair straight, I would recommend using a blowout cream, or a gel or a spray, whichever you prefer to use on your particular hair. Everyone's hair is so different. Even if you try to put yourself in the category of, yeah, I'm a 4A, I'm a 4B, but you may be a 4A, 4B, and your hair may be low porosity, right? Low porosity means that if you put a product on your hair, it's going to just sit, and it's going to take a long time to absorb into your hair. Then you might have someone that's a 4A, 4B, and they have high porosity, meaning products just soak up into their hair. My hair is low porosity. It's very hard to dye. It does not, I could sit there for hours with a color in my hair and nothing is going to penetrate the shaft. So it's very resistant to color, and it takes a long time for products to melt into my hair. But when it does, it's fabulous. So everyone's hair is different. So whether you like oils, whether you like sprays, whether you like a cream, do what's best for you, at the end of the day. So in order to combat frizz, I would say if you're doing a twist out, use a mousse. And again, it depends on how long you want your twist out to last. You might not want it to last 3-4 days. You might just want it for the night or the day for an event. But you also have creams as well. The creams are really well at combating frizz. Sometimes you're able to mix them a little, but sometimes not. Again, it depends. It really depends on your hair porosity and your hair type. Okay? So if you have any other questions and you would like me to answer them, please put them below and I will go ahead and read them. Other than that, you all enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.